here with another video. Today we will be talking about how to maintain this gray hair situation. You know I'm all about my gray hair, and if you don't, then that means that you need to subscribe. You need to follow me on Instagram so that you can get in on the viejita life, okay? So not too long ago, Finola sent me a box of products. I've been trying everything out so that when I come on here I can say this is what's good and this is what's bad. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to tell you what the product is. I'm going to read the description of it because I hate when someone says, oh, I love this product, but now I have to go look it up to find out what that product does. But I'm going to give you all the information, okay? So the number one thing that I tried and was most excited to try was the Fanola No Yellow Shampoo. This is a purple shampoo. It has a very pigmented purple pigment to it that helps counteract, my nose is so itchy, that helps counteract yellow brassiness in your hair. Now this is the first one that I tried, and I actually have a video on how it performed on dry hair for just like a few minutes, and it wasn't like a huge difference just because my hair wasn't as yellow as it normally would get, but it did make a difference. So with this one, it reads as it's ideal for gray, super lightened, or decolored hair. Its violent pigment tones down unwanted yellow hues on gray, light blonde, or streaked hair. Apply to wet hair massage, leave on for 1 to 5 minutes, lather, repeat if necessary. What I've noticed with using this shampoo compared to the other purple shampoos that I have gone over or reviewed for you guys is it does not leave my hair dry, which is a big complaint about everyone. I mean, everyone goes crazy about the shimmer lights, saying that it leaves their hair super dry, and it did for me as well, but I would just go in with a thick, heavy, nourishing conditioner. With this, I don't get that feeling at all. Personally, none of the scents bother me, so I mean, this one doesn't bother me as well. Some other people will say like they hate the scent of purple shampoos. This does not bother me. I don't get that from this. It smells good to me. So not only is it toning down the yellow in my hair, it smells good and it's not stripping my hair. So this was definitely, I was happy and excited to try it, and it did not let me down. Now the one that I was curious about was the No Yellow Mask. I'm not sure if it's, I assume mask, I think conditioning, so I guess this is like a conditioner in a sense. Now this one is suitable for bleach blonde, streaked gray hair, special violet pigment that neutralizes undesired yellow reflections, leaving hair soft, shiny, and silky. After washing the hair with the anti-yellow shampoo, it says put on disposable gloves and apply to the lengths and ends of towel dried hair. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse carefully. Now in the video that I'm going to show you, I just bleached my hair. I've always seen hairstylists use this combination of the shampoo and the mask after they've bleached the hair, and then they still go in with a toner. But I've seen the difference that it makes after applying these two to the hair. So I really wanted to give it a shot and see what it would do if I even needed to go with a toner, because sometimes I feel like so on Instagram, which is primarily where I see Finola being used heavily by hairstylists, is that they apply the combination of the shampoo and the mask after they've bleached the hair. So I bleached my hair, which it was like overdue, which most of the time I do end up with a yellow band because I wait too long, but this time I did it at the 4 weeks. So I bleached my hair and I wanted to see if I even needed a toner, so I went in with the both, and I will either insert the clip here or just give you the long video at the end. It's not that long, but I'm just showing you after I take out the bleach, me applying both products, actually more than these, just these two products, and how it left my hair. It literally took my hair from a bright, just bleached yellow to a actually so neutral, calm down yellow. It didn't make it white, it didn't make it silver, because remember, these are to maintain. It's not a dye. It's not gonna instantly turn your hair gray. And I think that's what a lot of people have a misconception about purple shampoos. It's not a dye. It's not gonna make your hair turn white. It's not going to make it turn silver. It's going to help when you've bleached your hair to a pale yellow, the inside of a banana peel, okay? And then you've toned it, how to maintain that your hair stays that light. Yes, it can make your hair look grayer because of the pigments it's putting into your hair. But if your hair is yellow, if your hair is orange, if it's brassy, it's not going to work. It will neutralize it, it will calm it down, but it's not a gray dye for you, okay? I had to get that out of the way. Moving on. So I was pleasantly surprised how well it worked. If you actually wanted blonde hair, you could just use these two and not even go to a toner. But your girl needs some gray hair, so I went in with my toner. Actually, for the first time in a long time, I just used T14, and I always use T14 and 050, but this time I just went in with the T14, which leaves me with a more like light white gray silver situation than in my previous videos where I'm more like a silver dark gray, but I'm feeling it. So moving on, another shampoo conditioner that they actually, this is their Restructuring Shampoo and Restructuring Conditioner.
These are my homies for life, for life.
They have made my hair feel so amazing and so smooth, so soft, so silky, so everything. They smell amazing. Oh, it's so good. It almost smells like vanilla, and it has a milk protein in it. I think the shampoo has milk proteins, which is for dry, frizzy hair. It hydrates, nourishes dry, weak, stressed hair, making it soft, vital. Okay, and then the conditioner is with linseed oil. Makes it soft, silky soft, brilliant, and easy to comb. Deep hydration and nourishing action. These are amazing. These are so good. You don't need to have gray bleached hair to use these. My hair has never felt this good in the 5 years that I've been bleaching my hair. My hair had been so fried. No matter how soft it always felt, my hair has always felt soft, not hard, crunchy, coarse. It never looked crazy. But literally, if I went like this, my hair would literally probably go here and stay in that position. I've never had my hair flop, look healthy, feel healthy. It just feels so good. It feels so smooth. It feels so silky. Look, it feels so good to feel that weight of the hair fall down. Literally, I could go like this, and that's where my hair would stay. No lie, okay? So ever since these two, it's been amazing. Now another duo is this Restructuring Spray Mask Leave-In. So this bad boy leaves my hair, oh, I can't even put into words how much I love all these products. I'm not sponsored. Yes, they sent me the products complimentary, but I am allowed to give you my honest opinion. And this right here got a girl looking snazzy. I use it with this crystal liquid restructuring fluid crystals. So I use these two when I get out of the shower. This is rich in aloe vera and linseed oil, hair shiny, combable, repair split ends, ideal for curly, frizzy, permed hair. Use a few drops to clean hair. And then this one is ideal for dry, frizzy, use over damp hair, smoothing, conditioning, action. These two together out of the shower, leave, this is it. Like before, I used to actually add heat so my hair didn't look so frizzy. I actually have to apply some heat just to like give it a smoothing action, no matter what serum I used on my hair after getting out of the shower. These two literally leave me like this, good and gravy. I don't need no heat. Now in addition to using the combo for when I bleach my hair, before I was done, after the toner, so when I used the toner, I put shampoo in my hair to really wash out the toner, and then I went in with this. This is their Fiberfix Bond Connector. It's a sealing cream for after coloring and bleaching. So it's a complete and stabilized hair after perms and straightening services. So I use this for a few minutes. I've only used it once. Did I notice my hair to be amazing after it? Just even putting it in my hair felt really, really good, and it needed that moisture and conditioning inside of it. This really helped. My hair does feel more amazing this bleach than previous bleach, so I'm not sure if it's had to do with this, if it's had to just do with the combination of everything I'm using, but everyone together is working as a team and they're helping your girl out. The only thing that I have not tried yet is their Restructuring Mask, which I can only assume is gonna be amazing. This is rich in milk proteins, carries out a nourishing detangling action, makes hair soft, easy to comb after shampoo, dab dry excess water, apply evenly from root to end, 5 minutes. Okay. See, it's a milk fragrance from the milk protein. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, so I cannot wait to try that out. But overall, all these products together have really, really helped my hair. Now, I went on the website because I actually figured I need to go buy these things. I need to keep a backup because I feel like I'm about to go through everything like water. So I went on their website and I found this whole set. I'm talking about the shampoo, okay? The purple shampoo, the purple mask, the Nutricare conditioner, the Nutricare shampoo, the restructuring leave-in conditioner, and this serum, this hair serum. And I think it came with this mask. I have to double check. Mia has my phone right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for $50. $50 for this whole set, okay? And the purple shampoo by itself was like $30-$40 on sale, I believe. So if you don't run and order you that set, you're out of your mind. Literally, it's so freaking worth it to spend the money on products that are gonna give you bomb hair, especially if you're doing your hair yourself. Like, I hate when girls like tell me, oh, I do my hair myself, and I look at the hair and I'm like, definitely check out their website. I will leave a link down below. I'll leave my promo code. I think it's Chris Ange. I'll leave it down below so that you can get some coins off already that $50 package that is bomb.com that you're gonna need. I'm probably gonna have to order and get it myself because I don't know what I'm gonna do without this team. Let me stop rambling. Make sure you hit the subscribe. I feel like I'm your go-to for gray hair. Please listen to me. Listen to me. I literally have not used my other purple shampoos. I have the Shimmer Lights. Shimmer Lights I have not used in forever because then I got put on to, then I found, what's it called? I'll probably write it right here because I cannot remember it. And that one I thought was bomb. And then I was using the Not Your Mother's purple shampoo. It doesn't do much for me. Like, it doesn't do much for me. So I'm just grateful that every time I try a new purple shampoo, it's like even better and better and better. I don't think it could get any much better than Finola. So shout out to Finola. Thank you. Thank you so much for making gray hair easy for me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you're following me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!